is budding after about 2 weeks, and it's like crazy how much has happened in just 2 weeks. When I tell you I feel like my hair is lock ready, I'm not playing. Yeah, let me just show you. Oh, before I show you, I wanted to talk about the retwist versus interlocking method real quick. Interlocking has a bad rep. I don't know, we'll see. I've been saying before I even started a lock journey, or this specific lock journey, that I did want to interlock because the retwists don't last for me, and I feel like my hair doesn't look any different when I interlock. So anyways, I had to retwist. I didn't want to retwist when I washed my hair like 5 days ago or something like that. I washed it for the second time, and then I retwisted, and when in my last video I was like, yeah, you know, the length of my hair is like what's really trying to, you know, make out and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Now it's the roots. The roots after I washed my hair, it was just crazy. I definitely ripped some hair. Like I popping them, ripping them, trying to make it go back into specific lock. It was a lot. So I retwisted it, and it was straight or whatever. The retwist held, but it was just like my parts weren't really that neat, and I feel like the hair was just starting to go into the other locks. It's like all that separating I did was just for nothing, because these locks were just trying to socialize, and it's just like, no, you know, stay in your individual lane. No, we're not doing this, but they were doing it. And I just started to feel really annoyed, because although my hair looked nice because it was retwisted, it was just like the parting just looked weird because there was all these straight hairs. It was just annoying. It looked like I didn't even really do anything after like a couple days, and I was like, you know what, screw this. So after like probably 3 days of having it, I was not feeling it, and I just decided to go back and interlock each lock. So I did, and when I tell you I'm so happy with the way it looks now, like I can see all my parts, the roots are like neat, all the hair's in its own lane. Obviously it's still a mess up there because it's just, my hair's just like, what's going on? So I get that, but for the most part they're not marrying, like, and I just like the way it looks. It just looks neat, super neat, and I like that when I wash my hair probably in the next few days that it's not going to be as much of a mess as it would be if I just had left it just with a regular retwist. Interlocking always has a bad rep, but I feel like people either don't do it right, or they have someone else do it and they don't know what they're doing, or they don't do the point rotation could be like a 4 when really you probably just wanted a 2 because you like don't want them so compressed. There's like a lot of different factors. I just feel like you got to do your research. Oh, as far as for interlocking, I went with the 2-point rotation, so you just go like one direction and the other. You just keep doing this. I don't want my locks to be too compressed. I wanted them to have some room to, you know, obviously lock and fluctuate and still be like pretty thick. I feel like with the 4, it's just, it seems like it's very compact. I mean, I haven't tried it yet, and I don't really want to try it. From the videos I've seen, I think 2 works best for me, and it gets the job done. All I need is to make sure that the hairs at the roots were incorporated. So 360. Now we're getting into it. I wanted to show you the buds. It's mostly the back that has been showing a lot of progression. Where are you? Ooh, mama. Someone called Papa. Look at this. Do you see that? I know you guys see that. It's crazy. There was like a fat one that I was feeling around. These are my colored logs. the color just keeps changing because it keeps fading every time I wash my hair. So it's like, itty what itty. I completely interlocked this one because see some buddage. There's just a lot of frizz, mainly what you're. Ooh, look at these two. You see that? Look at that right there. You see all that frizz though? Look at that frizz. Ooh. I keep saying ooh like I haven't seen, but it's just every day. Ooh, look at that one. Every day they change, so I'm just like, even though I've seen some of the fat ones, it's kind of like, ooh, you got even fatter? Look at you, Mrs. Thickness. This is Mrs. Thickness right here. Okay, and as you can see, I can't really, I can kind of pull it, but it's not as, like the end where it's like, ooh, yeah, like an accordion. This is like, so. Ooh, look at this one. Kind of chunky. I see you. Alright. I think that's. You see all that frizz up in there? See all that? Ooh, look at how fat mama is. Hello. Did I call this one thick mama? Or was that the other one? Ooh, yeah, I don't know. Who deserves that name? I feel like you deserve that name because you is thick arms. Okay. What else? What else do I want to show you? What else can I show you? It's pretty much what they're looking like. They're just getting fatter and thicker. My hair is shrinking more. Oh, this is my favorite log right here. It's just because it's a circle. See how it's like a circle all up in there? That's pretty much why I like it. I feel like this is gonna be so fat. You know what I'm saying? So fat. But I don't know. It's taking its time. No rush. But I know you're gonna be a thicky icky. Ooh, ooh. I probably should have recorded what the retwist looked like. The retwist wasn't bad. It just wasn't as crisp. You see how these parts are crisp and like everything is in their rightful position? That's what I like about interlocking. And then I work out a lot, so my scalp is always sweaty. I already knew going into this journey I did not want to retwist, so I think I just retwisted because I was kind of having some hesitation. I was just like, should I just retwist first while they're still babies and then interlock when they get a little more mature? But honestly, I just made the decision to just go for the interlock. I'm like, what am I scared of? I already told myself I was going to do this. Like, why am I having hesitation now? Let's just go for it. So I'm happy I did, and I'm content with my decision. And yeah, I can't wait to see like when these interlocks that look like braids, what they're gonna look like after I wash my hair, and like, are they gonna be more lumpy? If they are more lumpy, I'm for it because I love me some lumpy Cheeto locks. Like if my locks could just stay lumpy forever, that'd be great. As for the curly ends, I feel like I kind of want to keep them. They're cute. I know week 3 is about to look even crazier when I wash my hair, and then we'll also see what the interlock part looks like. I feel like it's just gonna look the same. I interlocked a couple locks on my last vlog journey, and there was not really a difference really. It kind of looked like the rest of the locks, so I'm not gonna be too surprised, but it's gonna be cool just to see like what happens, like, you know, if it's gonna just look like the rest of the lock, or you know what the buds are gonna look like. So, and also, you know what, to mention, I braided my roots, so you know, it's like the braid that was at the roots just moved down like to the middle of the lock, and some of them stayed. I don't know. Oh, like this one, for example, this one right here, if you could see, this is where I braided my root, and this one didn't move all the way down. It stayed at the base, and then look, it just has like this bud right there. If you could see that, that's the part that I braided. So if the interlock is anything like that, it'll probably just look the same, and then it'll fill out as my hair continues to shrink and, you know, but anyways, that's it.